In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up SMS campaign in Activecampaign. We will walk through the process from start to finish at a comfortable pace so you can follow along in your own account without getting lost. First, log into your Activecampaign account. Take a moment to make sure you are using the correct workspace and that you are signed in successfully. Once you land on your dashboard or main menu, you are ready for the next part. This step matters because all campaign settings must be created within the right account context. Next, go to Campaigns and then choose Create Campaign. On screen, you should see a menu or navigation area where Campaigns is listed. Click into it and look for a button or link labeled Create Campaign. This is where Activecampaign switches from your general account view into the campaign creation flow. Now, select SMS as your campaign type and enter a name. When you choose SMS, the interface will adapt to show options specific to text messaging, like message formatting and recipient targeting. When you enter a name, use something you can recognize later, such as the campaign goal or the date. Even though the name is mostly for your internal organization, it still helps a lot when you manage multiple campaigns over time. After you name the campaign, choose your recipient contact list and click Next. This is an important step because it determines who will receive your message. Select the contact list that contains the recipients you intend to target. When you click Next, Activecampaign moves you forward to the message creation section, where you will write what people will actually see on their phones. Next, compose your message in the editor window. Spend a moment here because the message is the core of your campaign. Type your SMS content exactly as you want it delivered. If the editor shows any formatting guidance or character indicators, pay attention so you can keep your message clear and effective. Activecampaign provides an SMS editor for a reason, and using it correctly helps ensure your text displays properly when sent. Once your message looks good, the next step is to decide whether you want to send immediately or schedule it. Look for the option to Send Now or Schedule, and choose the one that matches your plan. If you select Send Now, the campaign will be sent as soon as you confirm. If you select Schedule, you will set a time for Activecampaign to deliver your SMS to the selected recipient list. Either choice is valid, depending on whether you want real-time delivery or a planned rollout. Before you finalize, make sure you have reviewed the message and the recipient list one more time. Confirm that the campaign type is SMS. Confirm that the correct list is selected, and confirm that the message in the editor is the one you intend to send. This quick check can prevent mistakes that are difficult to reverse after delivery. When everything is confirmed, proceed with the action you selected, either Send Now or Schedule. After you do this, Activecampaign will begin processing the campaign according to your timing choice. From there, you can return to your campaign's area to monitor progress and delivery status. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.